Welcome students, welcome to the Max by Justina YouTube channel. This is a time and distance question. Let us solve it. Shivan travels 20% distance of the total journey by car and 50% of the remaining by train and taxi in the respective ratio of 5:3, and the remaining distance he covers on feet. If the sum of the distance which he travels by car and by taxi is 126 km, then find the total distance which Shivam travels during his journey. So here let us take the total distance Shivam travels as x. Total distance equal to x. Okay. Now Shivam travels 20% of the total journey by car. So car distance equal to 20% of the total distance, right? So 20 by 100 into x, that is equal to x by 5, right? Now let us read the rest. And 50% of the remaining by train. Now he already traveled x by 5 by car, so the remaining distance equal to total distance was x minus the distance traveled by car, that is equal to 4x by 5, right? Now he traveled 50% of the remaining by train. So distance by train equal to 50% of 4x by 5. 50% means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 4x by 5. That is equal to, cutting by 2, what we get? 2x by 5, right? So he travels 50% of 2x by 5 distance by train. Now, and it is not by train itself. Let us read full. 50% of the remaining by train and a taxi in the respective ratio 5:3, and remaining distance he covers on feet. So this distance was by train and a taxi. So now this 2x by 5 by train and a taxi, and he covers this in the ratio 5:3. And if the sum of the distance which he travels by a car and a taxi is 126 km, so we need to substitute in this equation, we need distance traveled by taxi. So distance traveled by taxi equal to distance traveled by taxi equal to, already we have the ratio train and taxi ratio equal to 5:3. So from that we are going to find the distance traveled by taxi, that is equal to 3 by 5 plus 3 into the total distance traveled by train and taxi. We find it the, this is 2x by 5 equal to 3 by 5 plus 3 into 2x by 5, that is equal to 3 by 8 into 2x by 5. Cutting we get 4. So 3x by 20 is the distance traveled by taxi. I hope you guys got this far. Let us move to the rest. Now we have an equation. Distance, if the sum of the distance which he travels by car and by taxi is 126 km. So distance by car and taxi equal to 126 kilometer. This is our equation. We have the distance traveled by taxi equal to 3x by 20, and in the beginning we already find the car distance, that is equal to x by 5. So substituting, that is equal to distance by car equal to x by 5 and by taxi 3x by 20 equal to 126. Solving it, we are going to make the denominator same, that is equal to 20. So for that, multiplying both numerator and denominator by 4x by 20 plus 3x by 20 equal to 126. That is equal to 7x by 20 equal to 126. x equal to 126 into 20 by 7. Cutting with the 7, 18, right, equal to 360. 360 kilometer equal to x. In the question they asked, find the total distance which Shivam travels during his journey. In the beginning we took total distance as x. So here we already got the total distance x equal to 360 kilometer. So Shivam traveled 360 kilometer. Guys, I hope so far is clear to everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.